Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Roblox account is eligible and verifying your age. This enables voice features. Once done, update the Roblox mobile app so you have the latest voice functionality. Next, open your phone settings and grant microphone permission to Roblox. Without this, audio won't transmit. You should also link and verify your email if prompted, because Roblox may require verification to enable voice chat. These steps get you ready to join voice-enabled experiences immediately. Now, enter a game or experience that supports voice chat and open the in-game menu. Once there, access voice settings and choose push-to-talk or open mic depending on your comfort. Push-to-talk reduces background noise and accidental broadcasts. Make sure to select the correct microphone and speaker output, then use the in-game mic test to verify levels. If you hear echo or low volume, lower speaker volume or move to headphones. These configuration steps ensure clear, intentional communication while you play. Finally, use voice chat responsibly. Keep language appropriate and mute or report players who break rules. Switch to friends-only voice if you want tighter control. If you don't hear or send audio, first restart the Roblox app and confirm microphone permission in your device settings. Sometimes a quick reboot fixes access. If problems persist, reinstall the app, test mic in other apps, and only then contact Roblox support with device and OS details. This final pass solves most issues and keeps your sessions smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.